Hello, in this demo, I will show you sample key retrieval from a confidential container. So I already have a confidential container deployed, and let me also show the logs of the key broker service because as explained in previous demos, the key retrieval happens via the key broker service, which releases the key to the attestation agent running inside the confidential environment or the confidential VM after successful verification of the claims. Now, this is my sample encrypted or sample confidential container that is running. Let me show you the container in the, let me show you the associated VM in the Azure resource group. So it's, yeah, so this is the one, and you can see this is using a confidential VM type. And if you look at the properties, its security type is confidential, right? So let's back and okay, I can also, one more way to see the associated VM for the pod is by using the VM list command. And I'm just grepping for the pod name, as you can see. So this is the VM associated with the pod. That's how we name the VM so that it's easy to determine which VM corresponds to which pod. And if we go back, here it is. So fine. So this is the sample Hello World confidential container that is running in the OpenShift cluster on Azure. Let me show you the key retrieval. So this on the other window, I have the logs of the key broker service. Let me exec. Yeah, so I got a shell. The way we retrieve, or the way an application can retrieve the key, is by using this API endpoint, right? So, and this is the path. So this is a path where the key is stored inside the KBS. And what you see here, this is a well-defined endpoint. So let me just show you the key retrieval. Okay, as you can see, yep. Okay, so I had deployed it previously, that's why it cannot do, but you get the point. So again, the same attestation process happens. So when the application requests the key by calling this endpoint, this CDH stands for Confidential Data Hub. So this endpoint is made available inside the confidential virtual machine. And when the pod requests for the key by calling this endpoint, the attestation agent makes a request to the key broker service, again starting the attestation process, providing the evidences and claims. And KBS, on verifying that this application indeed is running on the right trusted environment, releases the key. So that way the application can be sure that it gets the key and decrypts the sensitive data only in a trusted environment. So that's all for this demo. Thank you.